If you're exhausted from pouring way more hours than what is sustainable into your job and wondering why you scroll social media instead of doing replenishing things on those off hours, I'm going to explain it to you using this, and no, it has nothing to do with nutrition. Think of your day like a loaf of bread, where every slice of bread represents some hours. We all know that during a workday, we give the best hours, the best slices of bread to our jobs. So say we're dialing on typical 9 to 5. That goes to our job. That's no longer ours. Here we have it left. So the next, maybe we don't wrap up and we decide, you know what, if I just give an extra hour, 5 to 6, to my job, then I can get done. So we do that. Then we still have to get dinner on the table. Maybe we have kids to help homework with. Maybe we have pets to walk and we aren't actually enjoying that. So there's another hour gone, 7 to 8. Then it's like, you know, I always wake up to a lot of emails, and so maybe if I just dial in and I do 1 or 2 extra hours of work, then I'll be able to catch up. I won't feel as stressed. I'll be able to go to bed. But you know what? Maybe that's not enough. Maybe you want to dial in before your coworkers get on, or maybe you work with different time zones, and you decide, you know, I'm going to get up an hour early in order to get a jump on the day, answer those emails, get on those projects. Suddenly, this is all you have left. You have left yourself the crusts and crumbs of your day and made a butt sandwich. No wonder you feel so unsatisfied.